Our Ageless Iron feature tractor this week is a 1950 Ford 8N owned by Don Landoll. And Don, you started farming on this tractor. This was a tractor your dad had, but it wasn't his first tractor. He had a 9N. But he upgraded to the 8N because?
At the age of 7,
ripe age of 7.
Ripe age of 7, we wanted he felt safer with both brake pedals being on the right rather than one on each side of the tractor of the old 9N.
Yeah. And so he upgraded to this. This was quite a tractor for you to be driving.
Well, it was interesting, but those days it was pretty common for myself and in the neighborhood boys all to be helping their dad's farm at that young age.
Well, Don, that must have been a really big source of pride for you to be that age to be able to drive a tractor, because that was the era when there were still people with horses and you had tractors, and this was a pretty advanced tractor for a young boy to be able to drive.
Well, that's true, because Dad's big tractor was a 38 John Deere G model.
Yeah.
So there was no way, of course, anyone young could drive a tractor like that. So
right.
With the big, strong clutch and all. So.
But this is quite a pretty modern tractor, but not only because of the 3 points, but because of the styling too, right?
It was, modern, ahead of its time.
Right.
It took the other majors a long time to come up with 3-point hitch, a draft control
right.
hitch, because they were a great tractor on a 2-bottom plow with 23 4-horse, whatever they called them days.
Right.
And so in order to do that, well, you had to you set the plow properly, have the plow sharpened properly and everything to get the most out of the tractor.
3-point hitch was a big deal, and you'd said your dad had bought a whole line of equipment to work off the 3-point hitch.
Correct.
But the draft control was pretty revolutionary for its time then, that whole idea that it would automatically adjust it to the load.
Correct. Yeah, you could turn it on and off, but you definitely needed draft control with this size tractor to give you additional traction and right. maintain the height level of the 3-point.
And that was a significant advancement in agriculture at the time, wasn't it?
Certainly was, and it took the other majors a long time to come up with 3-point and some of the other advantages.
Well, Don, I really appreciate you telling us about your history with the 8N and what a great tractor and impact that it had on your life. I'll see you again on another Ageless Iron Feature Tractor of the Week. Hi, I'm Dave Mowitz. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit subscribe right here if you haven't already, and click that little bell right here to be notified when we post a new video. And click here to see more great videos.